Morning, guys. I'm going to do my best on this little presentation. My cats seem to feel like they need to be part of the presentation this morning, so we'll see how it goes. They're hungry because I'm out of their canned cat food, so I'll try to do that today. Anyway, hope you had a good break, had some good time off. I'm going to try to do a bit of a live lesson this morning. You may have to zoom it in. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work. I'm not really set up for this kind of thing. But we talked about cubes. We started talking about cubes. That was your lesson for Thursday, I believe. So remember, a cube is a number multiplied by itself three times. So probably the most recent thing that we've done with cubes is when we talked about volume. So we had 3 different dimensions and we multiplied them all to each other. So that's probably, we're going to be talking a lot about that today on your, I'm going to make a Google form for you guys to work on. There's Ruby. Hi, Ruby. To work on, and then I thought I would show you just a couple examples, if I can get Ruby to move, of what, some more examples of cubing. So, sorry, she's kind of a hot mess right now. So remember, so I have some blocks here. So remember, if we just start with something simple like 2 and we want to cube it, well, remember that 2 times 2, so we have 2 blocks. And so if we multiply 2 times 2, we get 4 blocks, which makes a square, right? So a cube adds another dimension. So then I take this 2 or this 4, this 2 times 2 times 2, we need that. So now we have 2 times 2, which is 4. We're going to multiply that by 2 again. So 4 times 2, hold on, I got to get all my blocks in a row here, gives us 8. Okay, so now I have 8 blocks, which gives us a cube. Okay, does that make sense? So the other thing I think that we can talk about is volume. So when we talked about volume before, remember volume is area multiplied by height. So depending on what your area is, so in this case we're just going to talk about a cube. See if I can make one here real quick. Really not happy with me this morning. So a cube is a 3-dimensional figure. So we have 3 things we need to talk about here. So if we just look at this area here, this is the area, so that's a square. Find the area of the square. We know that is length times width. Okay? And then if we, sorry, my computer's not plugged in. If we then talk about its height, well, how high is it? So then that we multiply that on to height. So that is volume, but then we also then end up with units cubed. So let's just put some numbers here. We'll do 2 and 3 and 3. Just for fun. It's not going to be perfect, I guess. So our area is 2 times 3, which gives us 6. And our height is 3. We have to multiply that together. So we would have 18 units cubed. So I don't even know if you guys can see that. Hopefully I can zoom the video in when I edit it. But hopefully that gives you another example of how we use cube, or maybe a different way to think about it. So today your assignment is just, you're going to do a Google form. And I got to make that yet, so give me some time. But watch this video and then try your Google form. Make sure you do the check-in activity for the week. And then you'll have another one at the end of the week. I'm not going to do them every day. I think you guys being 8th graders, I don't know, maybe you need me to check in with you every day. You let me know. Put that in your form today. If you want me to check in with you every day, I'm happy to do that. Let's try to get back to as much of normal learning as we can. I have emailed all your parents. I thought I had invited them to our classroom, but I actually didn't. So I got to work on that probably tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to have time today. So um, anyway, I hope this helps. If not, go back and watch the Khan Academy video or email me or chat me some questions if you have questions. You guys have a great Tuesday. At least it's going to get a little warmer, I hope. I'll talk to you soon.